Hi dear students, in the last class we had seen Bassanio comes to Shylock for getting 3000 decades, and there Shylock thinks about the risk that involves in Antonio's business, and Bassanio says that the guarantee of these 3000 decades, that is Antonio, and there Shylock explains about the risk of Antonio's business. So the reason is that the business of Antonio is scattered abroad, and even though all the business of Antonio are in risk, then also Shylock is ready to give the money to Bassanio, since Antonio is a good and reliable person. Then Bassanio says to Shylock to get a surety, and Shylock says he will get a surety, and before that he wanted to meet Antonio. And there Bassanio asks Shylock to dine with Bassanio and Antonio, and for that Shylock is not ready. What is the reason? Because the Christians, they eat pork. Because of that reason he is not ready to eat, drink and pray with them, but all other kinds of business he can do with them. And now we will continue our sin discussion. Take your textbook, page number 38. The last class ended with a question asked by Shylock: who is he come there? Who is he that comes? And in that occasion, Antonio enters. The person who came is Antonio. Bassanio says, this is Signor Antonio. Signor means the Lord. It is a respect, the word that gives respect to other person. So this is Lord Antonio. By seeing Antonio, Shylock thinks in his mind. Shylock, the word aside is given. That means that he speaks to himself. And here Antonio and Bassanio, they can't hear anything. Here Shylock speaks to himself about Antonio. He just think about Antonio. How like a fawning publican he looks. Fawning publican means a flattering tax collector. He just look like a tax collector, a Roman tax collector. Publican means a Roman tax collector. In a way, he says that Antonio is just looking like a tax collector, a flattering, a servile tax collector. I hate him for he is a Christian. Here, Shylock explains why he hates Antonio. The first reason is that I hate him for he is a Christian. Since Antonio is a Christian, he hates him. The second reason is that, but more for that in law simplicity. And more than that, he hates Antonio for what reason? Because of his childish foolishness. The law simplicity means the base foolishness or the childish foolishness. The first reason he hates Antonio is that he is a Christian. And the second, the most important, is that because of the childish foolishness of Antonio. And what is the childish foolishness of Antonio? That is given below. He lends out money grades and brings down the rate of usains here with us in Venice. So that is the foolish thing Antonio does. Meaning, thus he brings down the rate of interest for us in Venice. He lends money without interest. He lends out money grades and brings. Money grades means free of interest. Antonio gives money to other people without any interest. As a charity, he gives the money. The word meaning usains means interest or money lending. So in a way, since Antonio gives money without interest, he brings down the interest rate in Venice. That affects the money lenders, the people, those who get maximum interest from poor people. And if I can catch him once upon the hip, I will feed fat the ancient grudge I bear him. It means that if he gets one chance, if I can catch him once upon the hip. This is a metaphor used connection with the wrestling. In wrestling, whenever a player gets a chance to hold the hip of the opponent, then that is an advantage for that person. So here, Shylock says that if I get one opportunity to catch him, then I will feed fat the ancient grudge I bear him. I shall fully satisfy. I will feed fat means I will fully satisfy the ancient grudge I bear him, the long-standing grievance, the long-standing revenge. So here, in a way, Shylock says that if I get a chance to take a single chance to take a revenge against this person, then I will surely gratify my revenge. I will surely satisfy my revenge, the long-standing revenge against this person. For what purpose? The first one, he is a Christian, and the second one, he brings down the interest rate in Venice. And the third reason that we will see now, he hates our sacred nation and he rails, even there where merchants most do congregate, on me, my bargains, and my well-won thrift, which he calls interest. Cursed be my tribe if I forgive him. He hates our sacred nation. Shylock says that Antonio hates Jewish people and Jewish country. He hates our holy race, the Jewish race. And he abuses. He rails means abuses. He abuses in places where most merchants get together. Congregate means gather. In the places where the merchants or business people gather together, there Antonio used to abuse Shylock and his race. On me, my bargains and my well-won thrift. So Antonio used to abuse some kind of words on what? On Shylock and his bargains. Bargains means business deals, and my well-won thrift. That means hard-earned, hard-working. He earned all the wealth by hard working. Thrift means success. So here he says that Antonio hates Shylock and his sacred nation, and he used to abuse some kind of words where the merchants or the business people gather on Shylock and his business deals and his hard work. And Antonio simply calls all the hard work of Shylock as an interest or the profit. This is he does. May my tribe be cursed if I forgive him. And if I forgive to this person, then my tribe should be cursed. So here from this dialogue we can understand how much grudge Shylock is having towards Antonio. He says to himself that Antonio is looking like a tax collector, and he hates Antonio because he is a Christian and he brings down the tax or the interest rate in Venice. And then if Shylock get a chance to destroy this person, then he will surely satisfy his revenge. And again, Shylock hates Antonio because Antonio hates Shylock's race, that is Jewish race. And in Rialto, or the place where the merchant gather, there Antonio used to abuse some words on Shylock and his business deals and his hard work, and calls all this as a interest. And Shylock concludes that if he is not taking revenge against Antonio, then let his tribe be cursed. So here Shylock speaks to himself, and only the audience and Shylock can hear, and no others. Bassanio and Antonio, they can't hear. That is why the word essayed. He speaks to himself. He thinks in his mind. So then Bassanio says, Shylock, do you hear? Earlier Bassanio said that this is senior Antonio, and after that there was no response from Shylock because he was thinking about Antonio in his mind. That is why Bassanio again asked, Shylock, do you hear? Here comes Antonio. Then Shylock says, he gives another answer. Here Shylock gives another answer for what he was doing. He says to Bassanio that I am debating of my present store. I am calculating my present store. Present means ready money. He told Bassanio that I was thinking about the present money or the ready money that I have at that right moment. And by the near guess of my memory, I cannot instantly raise up the gross of full 3000 decades. Then he says that, and by the near guess of my memory, as far as my memory goes, according to my memory, it is not possible for me to instantly means immediately, raise up the gross, total. Gross means the total of full 3000 decade. He says that I was just calculating about the present store or the money that I have, and according to my memory, I guess that I cannot immediately raise up the 3000 decades. He won't be able to raise up 3000 decades immediately. Then he continues, what of that? Means that does not matter. You don't worry about that one. Tubal, a wealthy Hebrew of my tribe. Tribe here means the Jewish religion or the race is divided into 12 tribes, and Tubal is a person from his tribe, from Shiloh's tribe. So Shiloh says that Tubal, a wealthy Hebrew of my tribe, will furnish me. Furnish means supply. So you don't worry about that one. I will get some money from Tubal, a person from my own tribe. But soft, how many months do you desire? But soft means wait a little. How many months? For how many months you want the money? Then he turns towards Antonio and says, rest you fair, good senior. Rest you fair, it is a title of respect. Your honor, good senior. Your worship was the last man in our mouths. That means that we were talking about you. So we were talking about you. You have just been the subject of our conversation. We were just talking about you, good senior, the Lord Antonio. Then Antonio says, Shylock, albeit I neither lend nor borrow by taking nor by giving of excess. Yet to supply the ripe wants of my friend, I will break a custom. There is a custom, a habit for Antonio. What is that? He neither lent or borrow money by taking or giving excess. That means interest. By giving or taking interest, he never lent or borrow the money. That is the custom of Antonio. That is the habit. But yet to supply the ripe wants of my friend, I will break the custom. To supply the ripe want. Ripe means here immediate. Here Bassanio want the money immediately because he wanted to go to Belmont. So Antonio says that since it is an immediate, it is an emergency, I will break the custom. Is he yet possessed how much ye would? Is he yet possessed means is he aware yet of the amount you want? Whether Shylock is aware about the money that you want. He is asking to Bassanio. Then Shylock says, yea, 3000 decades. I know that is 3000 decades. And Antonio adds one more point that and for 3 months. So the money is 3000 decades for 3 months. Shylock says, I had forgot 3 months. You told me so. So then Shylock remembers. Okay, earlier he asked one question that, but soft, how many months do you desire? So Shylock says now, oh, I had forgot about that one. Now I understood that it is for 3 months. You told me so. Well then, you are bound and let me see. But hear you. Me thought you said you neither lent nor borrow upon advantage. And let me see, but hear you. Now listen to me. Me thought that you said you neither lent nor borrow. Me thought means, I think you said you neither lent nor borrow upon advantage with the interest. Advantage means interest. So I thought that you won't lend or borrow money with the interest. Then Antonio says, that is true. I do never use it. I have never done it. That means he never done one thing. What is that? He never lent nor borrow money upon advantage. So Shylock says, so Now you said that you won't lend or borrow money upon advantage, but now you are here to get money on interest. So the rest of the scene we will discuss in the next class. You may please go through the textbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.